I'm talking a lot of shit again. Come on, Stacey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Stacey. It's lovely to meet you. If you're already existing, thank you so much for coming back, especially because it's been about a year since my last one. A lot has changed in my life. I will do an update in a different video, but a lot has changed, and I've suddenly turned into the person I've wanted to dress like. Everyone has always said that I've dressed differently, shall we say, but I would call it alt style, alternative style. But I've been really leaning into that now. I've got split hair, I don't know, I'm really enjoying it. So I thought I would bring you along with me for this journey. But today I'm going to be doing some DIYs. Now I did this one earlier. This is obviously Spike from Buffy. It was quite long, and it was also, because it's a tighter one, like over here and past my belly. I wasn't very comfortable, so I thought I would just chop it off, and then the arms were also down here, so I decided to chop them as well, and I actually love it. So we are going to be DIYing more clothes today. So let me show you what I'm planning. So this is one that I'm planning on doing. I'm just going to crop it and maybe do the sleeves like this. This is originally from Temu, it was only a couple of quid, so everything I'm DIYing, I think, is from a charity shop apart from my jeans. So I'm not risking that much money by DIYing, although I think I'm quite good at it. So the next one is this wrap skirt. I'm not sure if it's too long on me. I actually haven't tried it on yet, but I love this because it's got shorts. I think it's originally from Shein. Let me have a look. Nope, not sure where it's from actually. Not sure where it's from. But it's quite heavy. I mean with, oh no, there's mark on there. Hopefully I can get whatever that is out. Oh, looks like paint. But yeah, whether they'll be short enough on me, I don't know. Otherwise, it seems easy enough to be able to crop, so, not crop, I'm saying crop for everything. To be able to cut off some length anyway. Next up is another t-shirt. I had this from charity shop just for £1. It was on the £1 rail, so it's a Led Zeppelin shirt. I'm going to be cropping this one. I'm going to be doing this one like this, I think, so that I can wear a mesh sleeve underneath, and yeah. Think I'm going to crop that one as well. Trousers, these are originally from H&M, but I had them from a charity shop for £3.49. And it's just these lovely navy and white pinstripe trousers. Too long for me. Also had this from a charity shop. I think this was about £2.50. But again, because I'm so short, I tried even folding it over. I have to fold it over like 3 times for it to be the right length on me, because it's quite a long skirt. So we're gonna DIY that, and I'm probably gonna do underneath the pom-poms, because I actually quite like the pom-poms, and I may have to just fold them over the ones on the waist, but that's fine. But yeah, we're gonna do that. And the last one is actually these pair of Primark jeans. Now, we all know Primark on this sizing, okay, these are actually a size 20. Now, around my bum and on my legs they are baggy, but they're comfortable around the waist, around my belly, because I don't like anything tight whatsoever around my stomach. I get really uncomfortable. So these are actually too big, really, but they're very comfortable because they're so big. The only thing is though that I roll these up quite a lot because I do like my ankle showing. So really ever wear them like this. But I love these distressed jeans. I've had these years now. But yeah, so we're going to just chop the ends off them. Okay, so first of all I think I'm going to do the jeans, just because I already know roughly where I'm going to be happy with the length. And then we can just get on with the stuff that I actually have to try on. So line them up, and I'm just going to cut, because I really don't give a shit if it messes up. So I really need to get some fabric scissors, because these are actually hairdressing scissors, but they work better than my fabric scissors now. So I'm going to have to get some more. I think I'm going to cut about there. That is not straight. Okay, so they are now cropped. See, so I cut off quite a bit, but it doesn't seem like I could cut off much. But now the ankle is showing. I don't know if I like them or... Because with the ends, obviously it was tighter at the bottom. So when I folded it up, they stayed tight to my leg. So I don't know, I feel like I may have just ruined my favourite pair of jeans. What do you think? Are they ruined? They look nice, I don't know. I don't know, I think maybe I'm going to have to do a little bit of tailoring or something to try and, I don't know, somehow do that. Oh no, I feel like I've ruined my pair of jeans. Oh well. Not as if I can stick it back on now, is it? Next up we are going to do the skirt. Hopefully you can see that a bit better. So I'm going to line it up and then we're going to start cutting. A little bit nervous, but let's go. Like I said, it was only a couple of quid from a charity shop anyway, so if I'm going to experiment with DIY, I'd rather do it with charity shop clothes. Okay, let's go. Okay, that might actually make a cute bandana, you know. Hair tie. I'm going to keep it. Okay, so I'm going to tidy up the end, but already, look. Yes, much better. Just tie up the end. Tidy up the end, sorry. Okay, could be a vibe, you know, with a different length, but we will see. Oh, perfect. It's now perfect. I mean, I could have left a bit more on there, but when I wear tights, oh, perfect. Oh, you can see my big tattoo now, look. Anyone near me, I can recommend you an amazing artist, tattoo artist. So if you're anywhere near me, then give me a message. Yeah, love it. Yeah, this one is perfect. I don't even mind that it's different lengths, look. It's just like, I love it. I just love the quirkiness of it being, you can tell it's been altered. I've actually just had an idea. I think it's a really good idea. So the skirt, what if I could make this into a tie? Some sort of tie. So I wear that, like maybe a white shirt or even a black shirt. And then this would be around the neck. I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna do it because that's plenty. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make a tie somehow. I can't even remember how to do a tie. Wow. Yeah, still too long, but you get the gist, guys. Okay, that's a vibe. And then I can just obviously put that into, straighten it up because all the sides need straightening anyway. Oh, wow. Look out for a new video. I'm going to be styling this. This is freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. I need quite a lot of these. Right, if I do it there so they stay a little bit longer. So I'm going to take it about here for now. Let's try these ones on. Okay, yeah, the length. Much better. Much better. happy with those. Okay, so in 10 minutes I'm doing a course, so I can get one more thing done and then I'll do a separate video for the rest. Let's do a t-shirt so I can show you how I do them. Okay, so we're going to do the Led Zeppelin one. You'll be able to see this one. I'm going to go as close to this as possible without actually cutting it. It's quite far away stays, but there we go. Just go with it for now. I actually think I'm going to create a black tie now out of this as well. That's definitely not straight. That's the bottom. And now we are going to cut close to this as well, this seam. So this is what you're left with. I will show you this one on. And there we go. Oh, I love it. Especially now it's got that. I didn't realise it would do that. But be nice for summer. Nice and cooling. Or for now, I probably wouldn't wear this one, but mesh sleeve underneath. Oh, actually I might wear this one. Okay, last thing I'm going to try on, then I'm going, because I'm already late for my course. Can't help myself, I'm just loving just experimenting with clothes at the moment, so. Okay, so this one underneath, this one's actually a little bit big for me, so I need to get in a smaller size really. And then this will probably go on my Vinted. I will leave my Vinted linked because I got a few stuff for sale on there. That's the head part. Okay. Oh. Okay, love it. Get all the chains out. Okay, I actually like it with this mesh shirt. So good. So yeah, charity shops guys, DIY your clothes. I'm going to be bringing many more. Thank you for watching. If you've stuck around this long, thank you, you're a saint. But yeah, so not used to this, I don't even know what I'm saying. Subscribe if you want to. Don't know if you even want to now, but yeah, I'll be back at some point with another one. Bye bye.